Hello everyone, my name is Andrew Barker, and today we're going to talk about the AeroCruze 100 Autopilot. AeroCruze 100 is a fully functional, standalone autopilot that can be paired with a GPS or digital attitude indicator to unlock additional features. With three unique form factors to fit any panel, either 2 1/4, 3 1/8, or flat pack, the AeroCruze 100 is the ultimate upgrade for under $10,000 installed. AeroCruze 100 Autopilot is an orthogonal solid-state rate gyro-based flight control computer with all sensors built into the control head. So you don't need an extra sensor pack or anything like that to interface with this autopilot. Everything is actually self-contained. It can accept input serial and ARINC from both handheld and IFR navigators on the serial side and from only IFR navigators on the ARINC 429 side. And then also on the ARINC 429 side, we can interface with attitude indicators like the Aspen and G5. The AeroCruze 100 Autopilot supports roll command, so that's a bank angle selector, track selector with interface, that's if you're interfaced with a GPS navigator. You've got a heading command if you're interfaced with the Aspen or the G5. You've got altitude hold, both hold and pre-select. You've got vertical speed, climb and descent capability. You've got GPS navigation when interfaced with the GPS. Again, that's either that handheld or that IFR navigator. And you can also do LPV approaches and then things like AP level. There's also control wheel steering. You've got minute and max air speeds. So lots of safety features built into this autopilot, as well as a bank angle envelope protection feature as well. The VFR handheld and IFR navigator GPS serial connection is used primarily for the ground track and track selector portion of the autopilot. Again, you can fly either a flight plan, so you program a flight plan into the GPS, push the mode button, the autopilot follows this GPS flight plan. We call that GPS nav in this product. It does not do turn anticipation when you're in this GPS nav mode. That is only a GPS steering type of feature, and that's available on the ARINC 429 bus. So when you're connected with an IFR navigator using the ARINC 429 connection, then that will allow that GPS steering. That's both lateral and vertical steering. So if you've got a flight plan or a direct to entered into the GPS, the AeroCruze 100 can follow this flight plan. Again, that's pushing the mode button. It will fly to and follow the flight plan within that GPS. In this case, it will do that turn anticipation, and it'll round all the corners off. You can do your vertical LPV approaches and things like that as well. So I touched a little bit earlier on the Aspen and G5 interface. So we can interface with both of those products using the ARINC 429 bus. When you're connected to the Aspen EFD, the big things you can do there is you can follow the heading bug, the GPSS hotkey pass-through works, as well as we can synchronize the altimeter for the autopilot to the Aspen. When you're connected to the Garmin G5, similar set of features there. You can follow the heading bug. You get the altitude bug there, which you don't get in the Aspen, but you also don't get the lateral GPS steering pass-through. Again, on the G5, you can do the altimeter synchronization, so the autopilot and G5 are always on the same altitude there as well. And that's all we've got for today. Thanks very much, guys. Have a great day.